Today we are going to learn what is knapsack problem. In the last lecture we have learned what is greedy methods. So what is knapsack problem is? It is a problem in combinatorial, or we can say in combination optimization. Like we can say simply given a set of items and each with a weight and a value, and we need to determine the number of each item to include a collection so that total weight is less than or equal to the given limit, and the total value is as large as possible, and total value is as large as possible. So suppose we are supposing the capacity of the knapsack, we can say simply we are supposing as m, and we are supposing there are three objects, so we can say object 1, object 2, object 3, and profit and weight. So objects profit P1, P2, P3 according to the object, and weight will be W1, W2, W3, just like that. So what is problem exactly? We can say simply problem is equal to finding out weight if weight is greater than the total capacity is m and weight is greater than the capacity. That is a problem. And what is feasible solution? We can say simply feasible solution is we are able to find out some number where the profit, or we can say this is object and this is into weight, is less than equal to m, the total capacity. This is the feasible solution. And optimal solution is what? Optimal solution is what? We are able to find out some solution where the total value is as large as possible while weight is less than or equal to the given limit. That is optimal solution. So suppose we have this given set of objects, like here object 1, object 2, object 3, and this is profit and this is weight. So what we have, suppose object 1 25 profit, 24 profit, 15 profit, and weight is 18, 15 and 10, and we have total capacity m is equal to 20. So we need to calculate, while n is equal to, we can say the number of objects are 3 here. So how we are going to do this? We can take like this, because the total capacity is the total weight, we can take only 20. So here it is 18, so we leave it as it is. We are not taking it, all the profit is 25, but we are leaving it. But here we can take it directly because 15, so we are taking, so we can suppose like this. This is for one object, this is for second object, and this is for third object. We are supposing like this. So first we are leaving blank, we are not taking it, so we are taking its value 0, and second we are taking completely because its weight is 15, so capacity is 20 and profit is 24, so this is approximately same, so we are taking it. So 1. So what we have taken? 0 plus 15. This weight is 0 and this weight is 15, while profit is 24. Plus what next we can take? Here value is, weight is 10 while profit is 15. But what capacity we have? 20. So we can take maximum 5. So how we are going to take it? So we can take like this, 10 into 5 by 10. 10 is the weight and we can multiply by 5 by 10. So what we will get? Exactly 5. What we'll get? Exactly 5. So we can say 5 by 10 weight we are taking of this third object. So in that way, this is the profit, but this is the weight. So 15 plus 5, so total 20. So this is equal to the capacity. So in that way we can find out the solution. So we can say the weight also, the profit also. So 15 into 5 by 10. In the similar way as we have calculated weight, we can calculate the profit also of the third object. So 15 into 5 by 10. So what we will get? So 24 plus 7.5. So total profit is 31.5. So this is the weight and this is the profit. So this is the way of calculating the knapsack problem according to the given profit and weight.